vMeasure Parcel Ultima Gold, standard, installed at 2.2 meters. This video demonstrates installation, calibration, and dimensioning demo. Let's start with unboxing the package. The package includes the following components: base plate, bottom pole with coupler, middle pole, arm unit, extension pole, accessories clamp, touchscreen display, power box, vision head unit, barcode scanner, weighing scale, screws and Allen keys. Next, begin installing the device. Position the lower pole base on the mounting plate. Align it with the pre-drilled holes. Insert all 4 bolts. Tighten them in a cross pattern using a 8 mm Allen key. Carefully insert the weighing scale display into the bottom pole. Use a 4 mm Allen key to tighten the screws securely. Loosen the fixed T-nuts using a 4 mm Allen key. Slide them upward until 2 holes are visible. Repeat the same on the back side. Note: make sure both T-nuts are aligned at equal height. Slide the middle pole into the T-nut of the bottom pole, and then tighten it securely with a 4 mm Allen key. Slide the arm unit down along the T-nut of the middle pole and tighten it securely with a 4 mm Allen key. Insert the horizontal extension pole into the arm unit, and tighten it using a 4 mm Allen key. Now, insert the rear bracket into the side channel of the horizontal arm. Tighten both screws using a 6 mm Allen key. Ensure the clamp is secure and properly aligned. Now, connect the power box starting with the DC power cable. Next, connect the VHU power cable and DC display power cable, followed by USB A to B cable. Finally, connect the display touch cable. Slide the power box down into the clamp support arms. Let's start connecting the touchscreen display. DC display power cable, plug the USB cable, and then connect the HDMI cable. Hold the display above the accessories clamp. Slide it down into the clamp support arms. Now, position the vision head unit on the horizontal arm. Slide it into the front channel along the mounting track. Move it fully into place. Tighten the screws on both ends using a 4 mm Allen key. Open the lid to access the HDMI port. Connect the HDMI cable. Then close the lid securely. Now connect the power cable, USB cable, and Ethernet cable to their respective ports. Mount the barcode scanner onto the clamp bracket. Connect its USB cable to an available port on the power box. Place the weighing scale on the floor. Connect its cable to the weighing scale display and connect the display USB cable to the power box. That completes the installation of vMeasure Parcel Ultima Gold mounted at the height of 2.2 meters. Now, calibrate the system for accuracy. Enter the default password given by vMeasure team and tap Login to access the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, tap Calibration. Select the mode based on your mounting height. Make sure the base plate is clear, then let the system calibrate automatically. Then, the screen will display calibration completed. Let's measure a parcel now. To start measuring, go to the Measure menu on the dashboard. Place a parcel on the base plate, and the system will automatically capture its dimensions, weight, and barcode. Your vMeasure Parcel Ultima Gold standard is now ready for use. Start dimensioning right away.